So in this tutorial, we're going to solve lead code number 2109, adding spaces to a string. So we have a string, okay, and we have this spaces vector or array. So in this array, we have these indices 8, 13, and 15. So we have to put spaces on in this string on these indices. Let me show you how we are getting this output. So this is our input. Lead code helps me learn. Okay, and this is our spaces vector. Okay, so I have to put my first space at the 8th index or between the 7th and 8th index. So I will start from 0 and I will put a space at 8th index or between 7 and 8th index. Okay, so I will write. So basically what I will do, I will have a string. I will have an empty string called result. Okay, and I will cut a substring. So I can write result is equals to, I will cut a substring lead code. Okay, lead code. Okay, and then I will put a space also. Okay, so after that I have to put the next space between 12 and 13 here. Okay, so I will cut from 8 to 12. So I will write helps here. Okay, again I will put a space. Okay, after this I have to put a space at the 15th index. That means between 14 and 15 here. So I will cut from 13 to 14. I will put me here, and then whatever is left, okay, after me I have to put a space also. Okay, and then whatever is left we'll put here, learn. So this is my output. Okay, so it's a very easy problem. What you need to do is I will iterate over this spaces array. Okay, so let's say the size of the spaces array is 3. Okay, and then let me iterate over from 0 to n I plus plus. I will find out the space int let's say int j equals to spaces I. Okay, so at the 8th index. Okay, so what I will do, I will have one more pointer, that is our index. So int idx equal to let's say 1. It will start from 0 here. Okay, basically we have to cut idx to this whole length. Okay, so I will write result is equals to s dot substr idx to the length. And how we can find the length? Okay, so length निकालने के लिए we can do this. Length is equals to space is 8. Okay, so j minus the index is 0. So 8 minus 0 is 8. So यहाँ पे हम देख सकते हैं कि 8 लेंथ का जो है सबस्ट्रिंग हम लोग काट रहे हैं. Okay, so I can write j minus index. Okay, then I have to add a space also. Okay, so I will write res plus equal space. Okay, and then there is very important thing. तो आप देखोगे जब लीड कोड कट चुका है यहाँ से, अब हमको हेल्प्स h से लेके मतलब 8th इंडेक्स से लेके 12th इंडेक्स तक काटना है. मतलब कि 8th इंडेक्स से लेके 5 लेंथ का काटना है हमको. ठीक है, तो व्हाट आई विल अपडेट माय इंडेक्स एज j, क्योंकि j हमारा 8 था, है ना. सो दैट्स हाउ इट वर्क्स. ओके, एंड लास्ट में हम लोग एक जो लास्ट स्टेप होगा हमारा वो ये होगा कि हमको लर्न को लगाना है यहाँ पे. सो आई विल राइट res plus equal s dot substr index. Okay, and then I will return s res. Okay, so let me code this up. So int n equals to spaces dot size. Then we have for int I equals to 0, I smaller than n, I plus plus. Okay, I will write int j equals to spaces I. I will have one more pointer, int idx equal to 1. It will start from 0, and I will have a string res. So I write res plus equal s dot s sub str index to j minus index. This is the length. तो सबस्ट्रिंग में बेसिकली वी गिव इंडेक्स, और जिस इंडेक्स से हमको जितने लेंथ का सबस्ट्रिंग काटना है, बेसिकली वी विल गिव द इंडेक्स, वी विल पास द इंडेक्स, we will pass index and then we pass the length. This j minus idx is the length. Okay, so then we have then we add a space, res plus equal, okay, space, and then very important step, I will update my index to j. Then we have one more step, res plus equal s dot sub str idx index. Then we will return res. Let's see if it works or not. So you can see it's working. So it's taking time. So you can see, so it's beating 53%, but if you submit this again, I'm sure you will get a better result.